Hi guys, welcome to my vlog, Rodel B. Saicon. Kung sino pa pong hindi nakasubscribe, please subscribe my channel. And please don't forget to ring the bell for further video updates. Again, thank you so much. Much love, Rodel. Hi guys, good morning. We are here in Victoria Station. So it's Sunday today, but not that many people are here. So the station guys almost empty. So we just keep walking here. It's so quiet here guys, yeah. So usually Sunday it's jam pack of people, but look at the station. Not that much people coming here. So we're gonna go to Westminster Cathedral guys to thank God for everything that we are saved every day, yeah. So don't forget to thank God for everything that He gave us, safety, blessings, and all of that. And making sure you always beside this one, yeah. And then this is all in Victoria Station. That one is a Wicked guys, Apollo Victoria. So it's the Victoria Station guys. So let's keep walking. We're gonna cross the road guys. It's very quiet Sunday guys. Usually this hour a lot of people keep walking, but now the road is clear guys, yeah. So there are some buildings here, look at guys behind me, yeah. The other side, ooh, nice building, yeah. So we keep going guys, and there's one theater guys which is doon nagsho-show si Rachel Ann Go before guys. So I think I'm gonna remove my mask so that you can see me. So that one guys is the Hamilton Victoria Palace behind me, yeah. And this one is the small Big Ben here in Victoria Station. So dyan guys nag-show si Rachel Ann Go before sa Hamilton. So isa yan dito sa Victoria Station kaya may dalawang theater na malalaki, yung Apollo Theater, and this one is the Victoria Palace. So we're gonna get a closer picture guys, that one. So medyo maliit siya tingnan guys sa labas, pero malaki yan siya guys, from there hanggang doon cover yan ng Victoria Palace guys, yeah. So malaki, diba? So all the way yun guys, papunta naman diretso doon sa Westminster Abbey, but before that daan tayo sa Westminster Cathedral na isa sa pinakamalaking Roman Catholic church here in United Kingdom guys. So punta tayo sa doon guys, magpasalamat kay Lord sa blessings na binibigay ni Lord sa atin, and then sa araw-araw na paglalakbay natin binabantayan tayo ni Lord lagi. So don't forget to thank God for everything guys, that we wake up in the morning, we're still alive, yeah. It's a blessing guys na nagising tayo sa umaga. So it's another new day to look after in spite of the trials that we have in our life. we need to move on, yeah? We don't stuck ourselves just this pandemic. It's just kung ano ba guys, ano lang, pandemic ka lang. Powerful si God, yeah? So, let's keep moving guys. Let's hope. Yun nga, sinasabi nila, in the end of the tunnel, there's a light. So, we just keep praying guys. So, pakita ko lang sa inyo guys ito. Malaking ano din yan guys, underground sa kabila. So, lalakad lang tayo guys dito sa around Victoria area. Yeah? Then, so, thankful ako sa inyo guys na nandyan kayo lagi. In spite of everything, you're still supporting me. We always thank to each other. So may mga stores din tayo, mga pagkainan dito. Wasabi. Yan, one of my favorite din guys. And then, ito, Nationwide. And then, ito, McDonald's. So yun, konti lang tao guys. So yun siya guys, so malaki din. Maraming mga shops dyan sa loob guys. Okay, then ito naman guys yung Westminster Abbey. Yan guys, so punta tayo dyan. Katapos lang ng service guys, so doon lang tayo sa kabila guys. Magpasalamat pa rin, magpasalamat tayo sa araw-araw na ginawa ng Diyos. So, pakita ko lang guys yung labas ng Westminster Cathedral guys, kung gaano kaganda. Diba? So, ganda talaga guys. Lalo na pag makita mo sa loob, sobrang ganda. So, yun siya. So, this area guys, malaki to. Ikot ko kayo ha. So, para makita nyo, doon sa kabila. Yun. Yan guys, yung building na sinasabi ko. Doon sa loob guys, maraming mga shops dyan, mga kainan, sobrang dami. I think na vlog ko na yan guys. So, check nyo yung Victoria area na video kung meron doon. So, ito is ano lang, another video lang to. So, yan guys. Ano tayo ng closer doon guys para makita nyo kung gaano kaganda yung Westminster Cathedral guys, as in sobrang ganda. And then i-cut ko na guys kasi kailangan kong wear mask here kasi maraming tao guys. So yun guys, yan Westminster Cathedral guys is a Catholic church here in United Kingdom, one of the biggest church, Roman Catholic Church in United Kingdom, London. So yan siya guys, ang haba. So some other times, kasi ngayon sobrang stricto ngayon, hindi tayo basta-basta makapasok. So may mga schedule guys, so next time, So again, thank you guys. Mag-ano lang ako doon, Thank you sa pag-support nyo again all the way. So again, thank you so much. Much love, brother. Guys, let's pray our kababayan who affected the typhoon. So, let's isali natin sila sa prayers natin guys, na bigyan sila ng strength na to fight all of this, and then keep safe sa mga kababayan natin, especially sa Albay, Camarines Sur. Keep safe mga kababayan dyan. Ingat lang talaga tayo dyan guys. Okay, thank you. Puntahan natin guys para makita niyo yung mga shops dito. Yeah, I just want to share it to you again. So dito na tayo sa loob-looban guys. Yeah? Maraming mga shops talaga dito guys. So malaking area din to. Daming kainan. As of now, wala pang tao guys kasi Sunday. I think mamaya pa yung opening nila dito. Late opening. So, ang gaganda ng mga shops dito guys. So, then, Victoria, ano guys, underground. So, ganyan. Piece of art guys. So, ganda. Yan guys, M&S. Nasa taas tayo mga kainan din guys. So tayo. So guys, nandito yung restaurant ng Baba Mama. Masarap din yung kainan dyan guys. So I don't know kung anong oras sila mag-open guys. So malaki itong Wagamama dito guys. Abado pa. Then may garden guys. Maganda dito. So guys, parang deck siya, may overlooking dito sa baba. Makikita mo. It's autumn guys, that's why maraming mga leaves na dito sa baba. So yan guys, usually puno to guys talaga, as in puno. So, ganda ng ambience dito guys. Sobrang ganda. So guys, doon. Diba? Ganda ng lugar dito. So, ito guys, pakita ko sa inyo. Yan. Ito yung baba. So, parang nasa taas tayo guys. So, ganda ng view guys. Relaxing. Kakalat lang mga leaves guys. Doon tayo So, yun guys, ito, tinur ko kayo dito sa may Victoria area guys. Pumunta tayo sa Westminster Cathedral, sa Apollo Theater, and then sa Victoria Palace dun sa Hamilton. So, again guys, thank you so much for your support. Every video that pinopost ko dyan sa YT natin guys. So again, thank you again. I will not stop saying thank you for all of you guys, kasi without you guys, wala ako dito sa YT world, hindi ako magsasucceed dito, but you are there continuously supporting me. Yeah, so massive thank you everyone, all my subscribers. Yeah, so baba na tayo guys. Yeah, so now it's time to work. So bababa na tayo. So again, keep safe everyone. Please don't forget to wear your mask kasi may pandemic pa tayo, and then sanitize your hand every time you go out. Again, thank you so much. Much love, Rodel.